Nike Golf's release of the stylish Psychic Blue colorway of the Nike Victory Pro 4 is setting the tone for summer. With its traditional white synthetic leather top and subtle blue accents on the tongue, inner lining, and logo, this Victory Pro 4 is designed to combine performance and sophistication. Specialized insoles and custom Victory embroidery on the tongue further emphasize the notion of competitive spirit and flair, while a slightly translucent Psychic Blue swoosh provides a delicate pop of color to the sides. Because the spikeless outsole is designed to provide both stability and traction, it may be used on a variety of coarse surfaces. Black hardware eyelets for visual contrast and perforations at the toe for ventilation are further touches. Enjoy the official look of the Victory Pro 4. Pairs cost $155 and are currently available on Nike.com.